Alright, hello everybody, it's Mystery Man here again. And sorry it's been so long, I was busy doing stuff. And right now, as you can tell, I'm at a store. The clerk is called West. And I'm going to ask him for that. And I'm going to ask him for that vending machine. Oh yeah, and I'm chewing gum, don't mind that. What would you like to buy? I would like to buy that vending machine. I would like to buy that vending machine over there. That'll be $20. Okay, just for a second. Let me take down this camera right here. Okay, here's the $20. Thank you. So I just got a vending machine on the plank because we're going to spill a variety of sodas on Sandman's head in the plank. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. We're going to, oh yeah, before I go this, I'm going to say we're going to spill Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola, Sprite, orange soda, Pepsi, and other sodas on October 31st, which is 9 days away from today. And I'll do a facial reveal this weekend, probably Friday or Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.